Shalom, this is October 12th, 2010. This is the 50 from the immediate pivot. 23, let's see if we're going to get a deeper trace. It'd be nice. Give us a bull flag, this possible bull flag over here. So, still no rush. Head, shoulder, shoulder. I'm going to pause this while we're waiting. If the market comes down here to 680, we would be bull flagged over here. However, notice we have a lot of separation. Bull flag. Did take a long right here. As you can see, at 682.40, we think a 38 to a 50. Okay, we get 2 BBs, 3 BBs on the rail coming through support here. Through resistance. Notice we're pointing straight up. Look at this band. Look at this band. Is this band going to roll or is it going to go with it? 610. We got 1 BB on the rail. The 610. Big separation on the 1597. Separation, and this looks like it found support on the 987. Depends on where this live dot closes. Notice this area right here. Dual bar. Reason not to close the dual bar because we are at an area of resistance. We're on the rail, still pointing up. Still pointing up. 1 BB on the rail. We'd expect 2 to 3. First target would be the 50. And then we have this area, big area of resistance here at the 76. I like looking at points. 50%. 50% separation midpoint. Resistance, separation. Place for me to close half my position. Dual bar at the 50. We do the pullback bar, which we're at the 50%. And really no reason to hold plus the boundary here of break even right now. And the next area would be here. Let's see if we're going to get a live. This live dot's going to turn on, grab the rail. 61. Notice this. So we're just waiting. This is the next area. And notice this band, how far it's come through. Usually when we get this band up there on 30 and 40, this band will come through. So that means it has to go up or sideways. Now notice we got wide bands here, wide bands here, wide bands here. So the only significant retracement is this one. I don't even know if it's a 23. It's a 23. Notice how fast this has moved up, right? You got to keep that in mind. Now, is it possible for us to get a bear flag here come against this resistance? Now what we're looking for to see is if this one's going to lock on the rail. %. Okay, we got a new area to move our extension from. This is our first area. Notice something else. 23, bounce, another bounce off the 23. Now this is starting to show some weakness. However, we got one BB locked on the rail here, and a retracement here will keep this tight to the rail. Put this back into the rail. You can come wrap around here, hit the support area of the band. Notice it, see, it came through. And notice, we haven't quite hit the 76, and we did close above the 61. So the odds are, we come this close, we'd expect the 76%. However, I have noticed that we are closing above the 61s the last couple days and reversing, and that's something to keep in mind as we're slowing down here. Bull flag coming back against support. It's putting us back into the rail. 1 BB here on the rail. This separation, we'd expect it to get to the, we could get to the to the upper rail here. I mean, we have a lot of MACD. We have a lot of, look at the divergence in here. Back on the rail, tighter to the rail. What kind of retracement are we looking at on a larger scale? We'll start from here. And we can move back to here. We're just hitting the 23. And this area of resistance. Oh, look. Okay. Let's see it. It's breaking this area of resistance, or it hit it anyway. On the rail, tight on the rail. Bull flag. Now the next area we're looking at would be 87.95. 87.95 would be here. Which is also this area. Separation, look at this. It's going to come back down. We get separation, separation, midpoint resistance. And I covered the rest here. We are pointing up here, just saying we have more to go. We can see here with the separation, we get the zigzagging BBs here. We get separation, separation, midpoint resistance, upper band resistance, still pointing down here, and 23%, still in a resistance area. Pull back before we go higher. But see, we come so close to here, you would expect us to hit it. And that's awesome, you know? So, and this is my video this morning. Shalom.